How to use Android Auto. Note: make sure Android Auto is connected before starting. Open Google Maps on your phone or car screen, it will sync automatically. For example, if you search Hyderabad on your phone, the route will appear on the car's screen. For example, if you search Vijayawada on the car's screen, directions will show on both devices. Tap the call icon to use contacts, dial pad, recent calls, or dial a number from more option. Tap Exit to close Android Auto and return to the car's screen apps.